See? Video tayo. Kailangan kausapin yung sarili ko eh. Hello. Good day. I'm up to give pathetic speech to make everyone understand. I know that two of you are doubting if I've been true to my words when I say I'm okay. Oh, please, trust me when I say I'm okay. Because I'm really am. I'm good. I'm considerate. I've been very patient. I understand. Alam ko kung anong nangyayari. What's going on? Let me start where? Explaining things. Okay. Yes, my friend, you're right. When you say na alam ko pinasok ko. Yes. That's why it doesn't cost me that much because I know kung anong mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko, and I know it's been stupid, really stupid. Maybe if only I did fathom everything even before, maybe if na-convince ko yung sarili ko na okay ako, wouldn't be part of this whole damn crazy thing. Hindi masama loob ko kasi naiintindihan ko. Masama lang loob ko sa part na I was questioned if I am being a friend. Asked me to define friendship again, because all along I know I've been through, I've been very serious defining what friendship is, and I'm sticking to that. Yes, ganda ng background music ko, diba? Wala lang. Okay. Let me start explaining. Let me start explaining kung saan ito nagsimula. December 25, right? I must admit I was fascinated. Getting attention from everyone na I was deprived for how many months after RJ broke up with me. That was pathetic. That time, I don't know what's going on. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa amin ni RJ. Kaya mainit. Electric fan. Yun. I was busy. I'm too busy explaining to myself kung bakit ko deserve yung everything. Because before, hindi ko maisip-isip eh, na deserve ko yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari. December 25, it wasn't my intention really. Wala lang. I don't know how it happened. Ang alam ko lang, my friend, I asked you that night if it's okay. Di mo ko sinagot. I know it was not okay. It's not okay. Yes, I'm fumbling the words. trembling. Ano ba? I was drunk. Sorry. Sad to say, I was drunk. And that night, isa lang yung certain that night eh. I wanna have something real. I wanna have something real. I'm tired of artistic tensions. I'm tired of monkey business. So, sabi ko, I wanna try getting serious na. Because I want to get a new life. I thought I'm having a new life. That was a mistake. I'm not afraid to admit that I've been stupid thinking it was the right thing to be. Alam ko, my friend, na mahal mo si Dane. And alam ko din na mahal ka din ni Dane. But then, hindi pwede. Why? Tapos andyan pa si Joanne. And complicated. Ganun yun eh. Ganun yun eh. Masyado siyang magulo. Tapos nakigulo pa ako. Pathetic, di ba? Nakigulo pa ako sa magulong sitwasyon. The intention was to help everyone. I know, mahirap siyang intindihin to help everyone. I thought, ewan ko, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam. I know Dane was in deep pain. Oh, even before pa kami nagkakilala. And I am in deep pain. Pathetic pain. Tapos that time gusto ko lang i-defy yung yung sinabi ni Jen na two broken hearts don't make a good tandem. I believe it was true. But then gusto kong i-break yung rule na yun. Sabi ko, maybe if I'll be persistent lang talaga, maybe I could. So I jumped. Sabi ko, I wanna start the year right. And start the year right. I thought it was the right decision.